In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal with GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your PayPal account connected so you can start accepting payments directly through GoHighLevel with minimal hassle. I'll guide you through each screen and explain what you're doing and why, so you can follow along confidently. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to your Launchpad. This is usually the main starting area where GoHighLevel groups together your key setup actions and shortcuts. If you're managing multiple locations or sub-accounts, make sure you've selected the correct one before you move on, so the integration is applied to the right place. From the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Payments and click on it. The Payments section is where you manage everything related to collecting money, invoices, payment links, products, and of course, your payment gateways. We need to go here so that GoHighLevel knows which provider you want to use for processing transactions. Once you're inside the payments section, find and click on Integrations. This is the area where you connect external payment services like Stripe or PayPal to your GoHighLevel account. Think of it as the bridge between your CRM and your payment processor. On the integration screen, locate PayPal in the list of available payment providers. Next to PayPal, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click on Connect. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to start the setup process for PayPal and will redirect you into the configuration flow. You'll now see options related to PayPal modes. Look for the PayPal Live Mode option, and under that, click on Connect again. Live Mode is what you use for real transactions with real customers, as opposed to a sandbox or test environment. Make sure you're ready to connect a real business account before proceeding. At this point, you'll be taken over to a PayPal setup page. Here, click into the email field and type in the email address associated with your PayPal business account. Double check for typos, because this is how PayPal identifies your account and links it to GoHighLevel. Right below, make sure your country or region is accurate. This should match the country where your PayPal account is registered, as it affects currency options, compliance, and available features. Once everything looks correct, click on Next to continue the integration process. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts from PayPal to confirm and authorize the connection. When you're done, your PayPal account will be successfully integrated with GoHighLevel